Hello, in today's video, I would like to introduce you to the 5S application from Power Lean created in Power Apps. Performing traditional 5S audits on paper is often inefficient. It often involves non-value-added works with information loss and frequent delays. By digitizing the 5S audit, all these shortcomings can be eliminated, and some activities can even be automated. Our application allows for a mobile 5S audit based on a predefined questionnaire with guidance, captures photos, and annotates them additionally. Audit results can be shared instantly, and an incomplete audit can be saved. The application also records unnecessary items in the workplace. It provides space for corrective action management, manages the audit plan, and offers fully automated and clear reporting. I would like to quickly demonstrate how the 5S application in Power Apps can look like at your end and what it can do. The application design can be fully responsive, both for different devices in vertical and horizontal modes. It is even possible to change the availability of features depending on the device used. Let's now perform an audit together. The audit process begins with creating an audit plan. On the selected mask, you can create, edit, or delete any number of audits. The availability of the audit plan is restricted to selected users. To create an audit, we can select an audit scheduled for January for this video. It is highly likely that the audit will be conducted on a mobile device, so we will look at the audit from that perspective. In the audit header, we fill in basic audit information and proceed to the questionnaire. As mentioned earlier, the application is fully responsive, not just for the initial mask. Each question has 3 options: the audited requirement is OK, a deviation has been found, or the question is not applicable. The banner below shows us the percentage completion of the audit. In case of uncertainties, the auditor can select an information icon, after which additional explanations will be displayed along with an image of the desired state. If the auditor evaluates and selects that the audited location is not OK with respect to the question, they get the option to assign a rating in the form of stars to indicate the severity of this deviation. Now the deviation should be written. After selecting the camera icon, you can take a photo and add marking to the photo for clear identification. This way, the auditor can complete the entire audit, with the number and content of the questions in your hands. If interested, questions can be assigned different importance and weight, or different questions can be defined for different work areas. After completing the audit result is displayed, and the option to close the audit is given. If the audit needs to be interrupted, it can be saved, discarded, or returned. After selecting that we want to finish the audit, a verification question comes up, and after answering it, we can distribute a very simple report via email to the department. The auditor should sign their audit and completely close it. After successful completion, you will be notified and redirected to the home screen. At this point, the responsible party for the audited workplace should enter the process. Find the audit by criteria and display its deviations. Especially at this moment, photos are often very necessary. Define 1 or more tasks for each deviation, which can of course be edited and saved later. Every element on the mask can be visually and functionally customized to your needs. Predefine the content of elements, or customize the entire functionality. After creating an action plan for the selected audit, the task implementer comes into play, in this case, the Lean Manager. On his mobile device, he finds his tasks and simply changes the status to done after implementing them. He can also assign photos upon completion, thus clearly proving his work. The implemented changes are saved and captured within seconds. During the regular meeting for the 5S audit, these 2 activities are already completed. For targeted discussion, the action plan can, of course, be filtered based on various criteria. You can review photos after completing corrective actions, but most importantly, you can create a 5S improvement card with just 1 click because all the required information and data were already captured during the process. You just need to assign areas where the action was beneficial, and the improvement card is ready for distribution. Within seconds, the generated PDF improvement card will appear in your email. As mentioned before, the application can support and manage the first step of the 5S method, namely sorting. A so-called red tag item can be captured via the application with all necessary information and data. You can also assign a photo to prevent misunderstandings and make the item clearly identifiable later. As with the previous demonstration of the 5S audit, for 5S red tag items, actions to resolve follow the same logic. The final point of the demonstration of the 5S application created using Power Apps is reporting. For a quick overview, in Power Apps, only the results of audits, the number of red tag items, and the number of completed audits are visible. Truly diverse reporting options come with Power BI. In our case, I have chosen the average achievement points for individual 5S steps, the average audit results for machines, and also departments. Questions with the quantity of deviations. The number of actions based on their status for audited devices and an overview of fulfilling the audit plan. The 5S application with Power App is a simple but clear tool for the 5S method. The application is adaptable and modular, and its modifications can be made quickly and efficiently by almost anyone. It is even possible to use artificial intelligence integrated directly in the Power App space for its customization. Contact us for more information or visit our website. Thank you for your attention.